Now, this is a review of the Breville Blend Active. I am going to be doing a quick demo in a moment so you can see it in action. But yes, I've had this now for 2 years, and this is a set that has 2 of these jars because otherwise my husband and I would fall out over who's got one and who hasn't. I use it for milkshakes, I use it for smoothies, I use it as well to blend frozen fruit up and then add some water, and that makes a nice refreshing juice. And my friend actually uses hers to make baby food, to make baby puree. So there we go. It's got lots of different options. So there's different sizes and packages, but mine, as I say, comes with 2 of these bottles, which is super handy. You also get the blade and the unit. So I'm just going to whip up a very, very quick, I think a banana smoothie. Why not? You take the lid off. There's the lid, which is actually another thing I must talk about because it's obviously got the area there where you can drink it through, and it's got this great sort of rubber ring here, and what that does is it stops any drips. Different companies, they don't have that wonderful strong like suction, and then sometimes you can find product come out of here. That is not nice, that is not attractive, and you don't want it, ladies, especially all over your handbag. And you get this little handy strap there to hold it with as well should you need to. But let's take this off. Let's get making a banana smoothie. So first up, I'm going to add some ice. So in that goes, and the blades are super strong. Yeah, just be careful when you touch these blades because they are very, very sharp. Make sure they're in a different part of the cupboard, especially if you've got children. Then I'm going to add in some banana, some Greek yogurt. So I'm going to put a good spoonful of that in. I'm actually going to add in a little bit of maple syrup. You could use honey or something else as well. So in that goes. And some milk. You take the said blade and you pop it on the top. Can you see there? And you want to make sure it is nice and firmly on. You'll also see this arrow, and it's to meet up with this arrow here, if you can see. So turn it upside down, click on, you'll hear it click, and whiz away. If also you have got any other ingredients that are congregated on here, just pulse it. And then that helps bring any other ingredients down there. That is how easy it is. And you take that off like that, if you can see, and then just unscrew the blade. Take that off, put your other lid on, and that's it. You're ready to go. You have got your smoothie. As I said, you can make fruit juices and everything. It's a real easy bit of kit, and you simply just wash this. Super simple to clean as well. Not really messy. Some of the other ones have been terrible, and this is why I chose this Breville one. So how do I rate it? Definitely a 10 out of 10 from M.